Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can review and approve a prescription once the consultation has been completed. Once you've logged into the app, scroll down to the bottom and click on the prescriptions icon, then select My Orders. From there, you'll see all the pending prescription requests. To approve or reject a request, click on this icon. You'll then have the option to either reject or review and accept the request. All the relevant details will be displayed here for you to review carefully and ensure everything is correct before proceeding. From there, you'll be able to see the directions related to the product, and you'll also have the option to adjust the prescription fee if necessary. When everything is ready, simply click Send to Prescriber, add your signature, and enter your security code. You'll then see a confirmation message letting you know that the practitioner just needs to complete the payment. Once that's done, you'll be able to receive and review the payment details.